How to log out of Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to log out of Knives Out but can't find the option, don't worry at all. Here's how you can do it, so watch till the end. First things first, launch open the Knives Out game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen of Knives Out, go ahead and click on this window icon at the bottom left corner right in front of Warehouse. And once you do that, from the pop-up, select the human icon and you'll see this pop-up where you can click on the logout button. So after you click logout, click on confirm in the pop-up to log out of your account. Make sure that your account is linked with Facebook, Google, etc. before logging out, or you might lose access to your account. So there you have it. That is how you can sign out or log out of Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.